If your spark looks like a star, you're not wrong. Lightning can out-temperature the sun's surface, for a blink. Stick around to see why. Quick fact, a lightning channel can heat air to around 30,000 K, that's about 27,000 degrees, for microseconds, just a blink. The sun's photosphere, the visible surface, is about 5,500 degrees, but don't get confused, the sun's core is insanely hotter, about 15 million degrees C. The twist, lightning is tiny and fleeting, a concentrated blast of plasma, while the sun is massive and continuously burning. Also, the sun's corona can reach 1 to 2 million degrees C, but it's ultra thin. Our comparison is to the surface. So yes, lightning can be hotter than the sun's surface, if only for a flash. Save this for more quick science bites.